Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to open your drive locked by Bitlocker after reinstalling Windows 11 or Windows 10. This can happen if you've done a clean installation of Windows and all non-system drives are encrypted with Bitlocker. Let's get started. First, open web browser and navigate to account.microsoft.com/devices/recovery key. Make sure you sign into your account with the email you previously linked with your laptop. Enter your email address and password to continue. Microsoft may verify your identity either via email or phone number based on your account settings. Enter the verification code to confirm your identity. Now you're signed in. You can see your drive's Bitlocker key. To unlock your drives, double-click on the drive you want to unlock and find the key ID of your drive. Then go to your Microsoft account and locate the recovery key of your drive. Copy the key. Click on the drive you want to unlock. Paste the recovery key. Click on Unlock. Your drive is now unlocked. Repeat the same for other drives. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.